Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be seeing if my cats know their names. So I'm gonna be trying to identify them by name. Pia, I didn't say Sarah. Go back over there. Pia, come here. Come here, Pia. Come here. Yay! Big boy know his name. Sarah, go back over there. Sarah, come here. Sarah, come here. She knows that I'm calling her. See, she wiggling that tail. Sarah, she ignoring me. She's a bad girl. Sarah, come here. Come here. Mrr. Pia, come here, Pia. Pia.
Wow.
Look at this. You see, guys, you see how this cat stare? She's a bad girl. You're a bad girl. You, Sarah. When I'm calling you, don't come. Because I'm not calling you now. You're coming. You see your face? Open your eyes. Open the eyes. Here's a bad girl. You. Guys, you see what Sarah say? Say hello to Mama Kitty. Pia? 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 Come here. Come here, boy. Come here, Pia. Come here. Yeah, you. Come here. Come here. Come to Mama. Come. Come. Counting down. Counting down. Nope. Alright guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Just giving you a little video this morning. So please do your part, liking the video, subscribing, and leaving a comment down below. Tell them Sarah, leave a comment. I don't put my hand in your face. Guys, let's look at this. So Sarah used her foot to take my hands out her face. She not doing it again. Alright guys, we gonna be out. Peace. We out.